Hi, I'm John Kennedy with Lutron Electronics, and today we're going to discuss how to adjust the low-end trim with the Maestro Sensor LED Plus dimmer. The default low end is at indicator light 3 on the dimmer. This can be lowered to help the lighting load dim to a lower level or raised to ensure lights are not dimmed below a certain light level. You can adjust the low-end trim on the dimmer by entering the shortcut to this feature. Press and hold the tap switch and the lower button until an indicator light starts blinking. This will most likely start to blink at the indicator light 3, as that is the default setting. Then adjust the light output by pressing the raise or lower buttons to move the blinking indicator light to the desired level. Once set, hit the tap switch once to save the setting. In the event the load does not turn on with the new setting, repeat the previous steps and increase the level before saving.